Hello everyone, my name is Lori Milam and I am going to introduce you to a website titled Prezi. And this website, it helps you create presentations, and it also has a place where you can create videos or infographics. So today for our presentation, what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to use the presentation function on Prezi. So the first thing you'll need to do is you will need to get a subscription. It is free, but they do offer upgrades if you want to do multiple videos or multiple PowerPoints or presentations. So you'll just need to upgrade to that. But today we're going to work on creating a presentation. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to the left, top left, and you'll click Create New. And it will pop up with this screen. So they have this amazing option that you can use AI, which I think is an amazing tool as long as you use it in the correct way. And you can just type in an idea for it to create. The next option that they have is you can upload a PDF and it will create a PowerPoint or presentation based off of that. You can create from a template that they offer, or you can just create from scratch if you want to put your own creative spin on things. For the sake of this video, we are going to just do the AI option. So the first thing that you're going to do is it's going to pop up this screen and you're just going to write what you want it to create a presentation on. So I'm going to put create a presentation on the life cycle of a butterfly. Use bright colors and interactive slides. And we're going to click Create Outline. And it'll take a little while. What it's doing is it's creating you an outline. And it will give you all of the pages or slides that are going to be in your presentation. So if you're okay with this outline, you're going to click Create Presentation, and it takes maybe 30 seconds for it to create. And while it's doing that, it's going to pop up with some of the things that you ask it to create. So it's using those bright colors. There's the butterfly life cycle. And when it gets finished, it'll let you know. So if you look over to the right, it allows you to choose the colors that you like the best. So I really liked this blue, so I'm going to go with the blue. And then if you look down, if you scroll down, it gives you design options that you can change it to. So if you would prefer the blue butterfly, you can change that one. You can change it to the blue butterfly, and that would be what your presentation looks like. I prefer the one that has the actual life cycle on the front, so we're going to go with that one. If you are okay with what it looks like, we're going to go to the editor portion, which is in the bottom right. You're going to click that. And then if you look to the left, it has all of your frames. You can go through each frame and double check. If you think it's too wordy or you don't like the text that's on there, you can double click and edit that. You can also edit or replace the pictures that are on there or crop the pictures. It's just an awesome tool. It just goes ahead and puts everything together, and you can go in and make your edits after. But if you go through all the slides and you like the way that they look, on this one I asked it to do some interactive slides. So it did a test your knowledge slide, which it is like a little quiz. that you'll do. And then it'll take you back to this. So if you are ready and you like your presentation the way that it is, you'll go to the top right, click present, and you can start your presentation right from there. And you can use the arrows to go back and forth between the slides, which I think is an awesome option. And then when you're done, you just go back and there's your presentation. You can add text, media, animation. If you don't like the way they're going in and out, you can change that. But for now, we're just going to go back to our dashboard, which is the home page. And I want to show you guys just what the video portion looks like in the infographic. So if you go back over to the left, you can see where it says videos. If you click there, it allows you to record a video, or you can input from a previously made PowerPoint, or you can create a video presentation all of your own. I don't think that they have the AI option for videos yet, but they do have it for the presentations. So I think that's an awesome way that you could create a video. Or if you look at the infographics, you can start from a template. You can do reports and infograph. I really like the poster option. So you can click on that, and it has all different kinds of posters that you could create. I teach younger age students, so I really liked this alphabet one. So you just go and you click use this template, and it pops up, and you can edit the font if you would prefer a different font. You can do different fonts. You could do different pictures. You can just make it whatever you want. It also allows you to add animation. And what you can do is it allows you to download it as a PDF. And that way you could print or whatever you choose to do. So that is my presentation on Prezi. And if anyone has any questions, I would love to answer those. You can always just ask. But I hope you enjoyed